Make a great choice today with the 2020 Acura TLX. The Acura TLX impresses drivers with its nimble handling, great fuel economy, and long list of high-tech features. It comes with an extremely quiet interior, spacious front seats, and smooth ride quality, and is priced below $40,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, rain sensing wipers, speed control, power moonroof, rear window defroster, security system. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.